Hi guys, welcome to a video of this big stupid idiot that feeds me food. He's gonna show you shoes, whatever the heck those are. This is what my voice sounds like. I'm Pancake.
What? Yeah. Can you guys believe that the Browns made it all the way to the Super Bowl? Man, what a storybook season. Welcome to an alternate reality where things that are actually bad are very good. I'm very aware my team sucks. It's whatever. I don't care. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can find me on Twitter and Instagram at SBXMitch, which is on your screen right now. I probably mumbled the words, so you probably don't know what it is. Below that is my website, sbmitch.com. That's where you can find all the shoes that I unbox in Soul Supremacy beater boxes on Fridays and Mondays, unless otherwise specified. And they're there for sale. That's the whole thing. And there's some other fun stuff there too. Hi, pals. Thanks for tuning in. Speaking of things that are good, but they're actually good, I want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Reshoevn8r. Now you guys know, if you go to reshoevn8r.com, you can find a myriad of cleaning supplies that Reshoevn8r has, but I think the best thing about Reshoevn8r, honestly, is the fact that, yeah, they have these cleaning supplies and everything, but it's all natural. Like, it's all derived from, hold on, what it says right on the container. Whoop, it's on the other side. Made of natural soaps derived from coconut and jojoba oils, which is awesome. And then even on the sneaker laundry detergent, it says not tested on animals. So yeah, this stuff works really good, but you know what else is awesome about it? They have a conscience. That's really awesome to me, and I like to support brands like that. So check out reshoevn8r.com, use my code SBMitch10, and it'll save you 10% off of this stuff or any other thing they have on their website. Like, I clean all the shoes from beater boxes with Reshoevn8r cleaning products, and I mean, you can see on the website just how good the results are. So reshoevn8r.com, use my code SBMitch10, save yourself 10% off of your entire order, which is cool because saving money rules. Today there are a lot of things to unbox, so let's do that right meow. I meant to say that. There are a bunch of things. Let's do CCS first. So CCS, you guys, I don't know why, but like for some reason, the Nike skateboarding line is very popular right now. I have no idea why. I can't imagine why. But a lot of Nike SB releases, particularly Dunk Lows, have been really, really awesome lately. This is a size 11. This is my size. I'm probably keeping these. It's another Nike SB release, but this is actually a Bruin. And I might get flamed for this, but Bruins to me are kind of just like Blazer Lows. I mean, that's just all there is to it. But this is a collaboration with one of the original 4 people that Nike SB ever collaborated with, Gino Iannucci, and I am just a big fan of this colorway. This is the Poets Bruin. Look at this big, bulky, huge swoosh that's on the side. I think that's absolutely awesome. I mean, it's got a Blazer looking outsole. The insole is striped, and it's got Zoom Air in it. Secondary laces are either black or this bright, bright green Poets on the back. I think this is just a really well done shoe, and I think this is something that's probably a really good shoe for skating, I would imagine. If I ever decide to get off my lazy butt and start skating again, these are what I'm gonna be skating, so definitely cool. Shout out to Familia for the helps on these. This is just a cool looking shoe. So there's the first thing I got from CCS. Very neat. Bruins fit true to size. I imagine that shoe might be a little bit more on the secondary market. I think the retail was like 80 bucks or 90 bucks, but still a cool shoe in my opinion. Next up, I don't know who this is from. Well, I know who it's from. I actually got it on eBay. I had such a hard time trying to find these in my size. eBay had a bunch of coupons. I hate using eBay, but I found someone that is very trustworthy on there. I just haven't had a chance to open it. It is another Nike SB release. It's a Dunk Low in my size 11. As you guys have seen in the previous haul video, I have the white tie-dye ray guns, and now I have the black tie-dye ray guns. Same deal. Wow, this leather is really soft. It is a nod to Sandy Bodecker, who was the head of creative for Nike SB for a long time and tragically passed away last year. Really cool homage to Sandy. It's got the 58 for SB on there. Just a very cool looking shoe. I did a detailed review or like closer look, whatever, on the older video, but same thing with this. It's just, these just give me the feels, guys. So there you go. Ooh, this is good. This is something. something. Okay, so if you guys remember from the last haul video, I had a size 11 pair of Travis Scott 4s, and they said sold when I put them up. That's because I did a trade. Now, precursor, I hate doing trades. Don't ask me to do trades because I will probably say no. I only do trades with people I know personally or have done trades with before. But overall, trades, in my opinion, I give them a pretty solid D+. But I traded straight up for this shoe that he got on Nike sneakers. And I have not seen it in hand yet. Oh, he put some packing material in here, very nice. And he put the original receipt, very cool. You guys can tell from the weird box, it's definitely it's an off-white Dunk Low. They had the 3 colorways, the pine green, the UNLV looking one, and this is the Michigan colorway, or the navy goldenrod one, whatever you're gonna call it. Again, the leather on these is absolutely crazy. Like, look at that. That's nuts. This leather is so soft. Very well done by Nike and Virgil Abloh, in my opinion. It's just a Dunk Low, different shape than a Dunk Low SB because it doesn't have the skate technology. But give Jason a follow. We did a trade. His handle is @franchisedavis, or it's probably on the screen or down below in the video description. But this is a really cool pair. Wow. Well done. Thanks, Jason. Just realized I totally talk about how much I hate trades, and there's 2 trades in this video. Next up, you guys know that I buy a lot of stuff from Parlor 23, parlor23.com, very cool shop. They're based in Toronto. They sell shoes on their website, but they also sell just a bunch of really cool original apparel with designs and stuff on it. You guys see the Money Cat hoodie I wear all the time, that's from Parlor 23. So I ordered from, whoa, dude, man. This dude always throws extra stuff in with his orders, regardless if you know him or not. So there's extra bags in here with the stuff I ordered. So let's see, we got a air freshener, another air freshener. Look at this is so cool. A 3rd air freshener, and a patch. And there's also a toque. You kidding me? And it's got a poof on top too. Jeez, dude, thank you. Ugh, there's still more in here. Are you kidding me? Dude, no way. So they actually released a line of wood ornaments. Oh, these smell amazing. And there's a whole bunch of them right here. So oh, it smells so good. It smells like a campfire. This is awesome. I wish we could smell-o-vision right now. So there's a Money Cat Dunk High SB, but you can see it's got the Day of the Dead looking Money Cat thing they had on. This is so cool. This is all laser etched into these little wood blocks and circles and stuff. Wow, there's like 6 of them in here. So let's go through them. So there's a For the Love of Money Dunk High. There's a Supreme Dunk High SB. It's an MF Doom Nike Dunk High SB for Kylie Jenner. There's a De La Soul Dunk High SB. A Money Cat Dunk High SB. And a Huff Dunk High SB. These are, dude, I can't get over this. This is super cool. Parlor23.com. Dude, Jay, thank you so much. This is really cool. A watercolored picture of Chicago 1. Dude, this is so awesome. This isn't even actually what I ordered yet. Like, this is all extra stuff. Dude, thank you. Holy cow. So anyway, they had a sale going on, so I wanted to get some stuff, so I ordered 2 t-shirts. I have the hoodie that does the same thing too. So around Halloween, they came out with a line of Money Cats with the Day of the Dead Money Cat on top of it. But they had a bunch of t-shirts, so I ordered t-shirts too. So this is a white, I ordered a white one and an orange one, because why not? But you can see the Money Cats on there, and then what do? You go, press down and it reveals good old Day of the Dead Money Cat. This is super cool, holy cow. So definitely check out Parlor23, parlor23.com. I did not expect all these extras. This is very cool. Thank you, Jay, dude. Like, this is really, really awesome. So, whoa, show them some support. Based in Toronto, Canada, just a very cool shop. Cool. 2 more things, sort of. 2, but basically 3. This next one comes to us from someone who was on the last haul video. His name's Rob. Rob X Park on Instagram and Twitter. Fellow Beaterbox member. Just a really cool dude. He managed to get something that I was like, I kind of want it. Just to have it, because you never know. Here we go. This was actually shipped like super quick. Like I paid him and he shipped the same day, which is pretty awesome. This is gonna be so adorable. So, number 1, wrapping material. Very good stuff. Thank you, Rob. But it's this little Nike SB, Nike Dunk Low Quick Strike TD in a 4C. These are so cute. Look at this thing. It's a little toddler Dunk Low ray gun. Ah, this is so cool. Yeah, it's like taking a shrink ray to the original one. This is so awesome. Super adorable, if you ask me. Very cool. I have no words. And this is actually like really good quality for a toddler's shoe. So Thanks, Rob. Rob X Park on Instagram and Twitter. Give him a follow. Wow. Last thing we got. It's a twofer. It's from my buddy MJ. Give him a follow at MJ_kicks. Part of my yearly fantasy football group. Very cool dude. I actually picked up Travis Scott 6s for him when he hit at Foot Action Chicago. I traded a size 6.5 pair of Yeezy 350 V2, the black non-reflective statics, whatever. So we traded for 2 pairs. This first pair doesn't have a label, and there's a reason why. So this is actually from the recent collaboration with Supreme on the Nike Dunk Low Pro SB in the red colorway. Now, the difference with these, why there's no label on the box, is because this is actually a sample pair. So it's a little bit different. I don't know exactly. I mean, I haven't seen them in hand, so I don't know what the difference is, but this is a size 11.5. I was not a fan of this release, but I think he just got for me a good trade, and I'm like, you know what, let's do it. So there's the first one. This is a size 11.5. This will be for sale eventually, because 11.5 is too big for me. We got another Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike in a size 11.5. It's another pair of Ray Guns, the black ones. He didn't want them, so we did this trade. I thought it was a fair trade. I'm not a huge fan of trades. He even said, hey man, I know you're not a fan of trades, but threw me a good offer, and I said, you know what, let's do it. So there you go. Very cool. He threw something else in here too. It's a Nike by You Air Force One, it looks like. These are originally done by my dude SSBK on Twitter. So this is watermelon looking Air Force One in a size 11.5. It's pretty cool. Thank you, MJ. Give him a follow at MJ_kicks on Twitter. That's it. That's what's going on today. So thank you again to Reshoevn8r for sponsoring this video. Remember, use my code SBMitch10 at reshoevn8r.com to save yourself 10% on Reshoevn8r products. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it, because this video is just me opening things, which is boring, but yeah, that's it. Hope you have a really good rest of the week. See you on Friday. We're going to be announcing a giveaway, so that's pretty cool. So until then, take care of each other, and remember, make it fun, because shoes are supposed to be fun. Bye!